In this video, I'll show you exactly how to promote Fiverr affiliate links on Quora without getting flagged or banned. You will learn how to find the best questions, how to answer them without sounding spammy, and which Fiverr services work best for this strategy. Most people are wasting time answering random questions. I'll show you how to turn Quora into traffic machine that earns commissions every single week for free. Make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions. Just in the last 7 days, I made $6,285 in commissions with Fiverr affiliate marketing. In this video, I'll share with you my method with Quora and how we can promote your Fiverr affiliate links on Quora with free traffic. So step number one for people who want to start promoting affiliate links on Quora and earn commissions like this. Step number one is you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one, okay? So what you need to do first, you need to go to Google and search for this website, Fiverr, okay? Search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. All you need is you just need to use your email address to sign up. Once you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down, keep scrolling down until you see this one, company, and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will start promoting with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. So for example, for pro services, you can earn up to 70% of the first order, which is crazy. The best part is that they keep paying you 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months, which makes this business a profitable affiliate marketing business. So if you want to create your affiliate account, you just need to click here on join now, and here you go. As you can see guys, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, confirm your password again, account type, make it private. If you have Fiverr seller account, you can choose this option. If you have a company, you can choose this option. Scroll down. Do you have main source of traffic? If you have a website or a blog, you can say yes, and if you don't have, you can say no. And scroll down. Please submit your social media URL or link. You need to put here your Facebook profile link or Pinterest profile link, Quora profile link, or any of your social media profiles link here. Okay, click on country and search for your country. From here you can start this business from anywhere, from United States, Canada, Australia, Germany, and so on. Search for your country from here, and here you need to choose your language. Once you finish, you can put your Telegram account here if you have. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. So once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate, and this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose good services that you will start promoting on Quora. Okay, so what we will do next, we will go to Quora. Okay, if you don't have an account with Quora yet, go to Google, super easy, search for Quora like this, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. It's for free, of course. And also guys, you should know that Quora has 451 million monthly visitors. Like, that's crazy traffic. You can get crazy traffic from Quora. Okay, so anyway, so once you finish your sign up process to Quora, what you will do is you will click here on the search. Okay, and you will search for example, let's search for video editor as an example. Okay, I'm gonna search for video editor, and what I will do, I will click here on question. You have by tape, I'll tape, choose questions. Okay, and here you go. You will find a lot of people searching for video editor. Who are the best video YouTube video editors? You see, look how many people follow this question. Those people who are following this question, meaning that they are interested to know where they can find and what's the best video editor for YouTube videos. Okay, also look how many people here following this one. And those questions, guys, just in this month, you can see here the month. Okay, who are the best video YouTube editor? Look how many people following this question. If I scroll more, what's the best way to find a great video editor for hire? Look, people search for video editor. So what you will do next for you will answer those questions. Who are some of the best video editors? I'm talking about people, not software. And here you go. So for example, let's pick this question. I will click here on answer, and I need to answer this question with my affiliate link. So what I will do, I will go first back to Fiverr. I will go back to my Fiverr homepage, and I will search for video editor or video editing services. Okay, so we will promote services that people are searching for on Quora. So I hope it's clear. Search for video editing, scroll down, and you will find a lot of people here who are lot of sellers who provide this service on Fiverr. So what you need to do for you as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, you need to choose a good sellers. How we can choose good sellers? Always focus on level 2 seller, top rated seller, and pro sellers. Those sellers will be good sellers. So for example, I'm gonna choose one like this one. I will do professional video editing. This one looks good, top rated seller, has over 1,000 reviews, so meaning that this one is good one. I will click on his service like this. Click on the seller service that you want to use. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. You can see here that people keep coming back, meaning that this seller is providing good video editing service for his customers. They are happy and they come back to buy more and to edit more new videos, which is really good. So what I will do, I will copy the link of this seller and I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Click over here, dashboard, marketing tools, reports. Click on marketing tools and click on defaults and deep links. You will be in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. Okay, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do is you need to promote this affiliate link on Quora. Okay, so let's go back to Quora. So we will answer this question. So what we will do, guys, is I'm gonna copy this question, and what I will do is I will use AI. I will go to ChatGPT. Go and open your ChatGPT account and ask him, answer this Quora question and include my Fiverr affiliate link for video editing service. Okay, I will put this question here and I will click over here, and ChatGPT will create a good answer that you guys can use to promote this service on Quora. Okay, you can see here is strong Quora answer to the question, and here you go. There are thousands of talented video editors out there, but the best really depend on what kind of editing you need, YouTube videos, and here you go. I personally, and that's really amazing. You just need to copy this answer and go back to Quora and put this one here. Okay, you see? And what you will do, guys, is you will delete this. Click here. I'm gonna delete this. So here I will put my affiliate link. I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. So this affiliate link is too much long, so we need to make it short link. You guys can go to Google and search for short URL. This website make long links short links to make your link looks more professional and branding. Copy, paste, and here you go. So what you will do next, you just need to click on post and your post will be posted here. Okay, done. And here you go. Do you see this? So people who are searching for the best video editors, if they click on your affiliate link, they will check your affiliate link, for example, like this. They will be directly in this seller profile page. If they buy the service from this seller, you will earn a commission, and you have a lot of answer, a lot of services that you can work on is just by using Quora. This will help you to make your commissions fast. Thank you so much for watching. That's how we can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Quora using free traffic. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments and see you in my next videos.